Again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. And today we have a new watch, finally. It's not a Garmin, it's not Samsung, a Master, it's new. I've never tested it before and I'm very excited. Here we go, ready? Let's just zip it open. Have you heard of the company called COROS? Well, I had not heard of them until my friend JP mentioned them. We got the keychain watch charger. That's pretty cool. And this very cool metallic looking gray box. Explore Perfection, Kilian Jornet edition. Oh, this is pretty sweet. I think. Yes, let's open it. Here goes nothing. Nice packaging. Reminds me of the Apple Watch, to be honest. Okay. Nice, very cool gray box. And everyone's favorite part. Very cool. And there is the watch. That's nice. We have a Velcro band, silicone band. Underneath, we have the hat. Very nice. Some manuals. The charging cable, which, you know what? I'm going to use the other one first. And then just, looks like we have just hard. Be something. Oh no, it's just cardboard. that would have been cool had it been something else. I'll read the online manual. We'll look at the hat later. I want to take a look at this watch charger. And you know, as much as I like the silicone, I think I'll take a look at that later as well. I'm not a huge fan of silicone bands. They're okay. But I want to boot up this watch because I've never used a Coros before and I'm wondering how it compares to life. I like the wax paper, no plastic. Just 3 buttons. I'm guessing that's the power. Nice boot up screen. English. Let's do back. Oh, nice vibration control. The scroll wheel vibrates. Dutch, French, Polish. Don't recognize it. Portuguese, Italian. Sorry, I don't recognize it. And those are the languages. I'm going to do English. Set language to English. Yes. Oh, time to get out the QR code. And then while we're doing that, I'm going to set up this band. And then it has this cool word on it, Explore Perfection. All right. I'm guessing this goes in here like so. The build quality is impressive. And I like the logo. Oh, interesting. So this one you just kind of... Oh, I see. It's similar to other bands that I've used, but sometimes when I'm on film I get a little nervous. Come on. So it'll just slide through there. I swear I've done this before, I promise. This is actually similar to an Apple Watch band. There we go. Let me download the app. Be right back. So standard recording stuff and selling your life and giving permissions to the app. And there we go. So we'll click on the thing, add device. We have the Apex 2 GPS outdoor watch. I wonder if they have, nope. Don't have a Kilian one, so we're gonna go with the Pro. Boom, there we go. Long press on digital eye to unlock. Pairing COROS Apex 2 Pro. That was easy. Long press digital eye unlock, scroll dial to view widgets. Boom, connected. And it has the date. Actually, it says September 11th. So we have the back button, some nice haptic feedback. See how it looks on my wrist. It looks pretty cool. So I can scroll right there. Ooh, I already have 11 steps. Ah, it's not September. That's the step count, 11. And next, Coros to send notifications. Sure, while using the app. Left wrist. On the side, choose the side button. Yes. On the right. Start your training level, 150 calories. Sure. Next. Bedtime. I'm going to say 10 o'clock. That looks good. Next. Lactate threshold zone. Okay. Go to settings. Allow, 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 allow. Next. Setup complete. Time to explore. Update now. Yeah, this is pretty normal. You know, for my first Coro watch, I like it. If the update's gonna go, I'm gonna let that. I really like the color schema. To be honest, I'm a bit unimpressed with black watches. No offense to the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, it's just there's so many black watches out there and just plain white watches. So I like the kind of the gray, the mountain. Yeah, it's a nice design. Not as heavy as a Phoenix, that's for sure. And I like the way it wears. My wrist size is just under 7 inches. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I really like that it has a sapphire screen. I like the haptic feedback so far. I'm gonna use it and I'll get back with you soon. Updating. And we're back, same day, hours later after the unboxing with this cool wearable, the Kilian Jornet edition of the COROS Apex 2 Pro. Love the packaging, love the watch. I was actually wearing 4 watches today, but these are not part of the video, so I'll take them off. They're just part of my addiction and other videos that I'm doing. Okay, I'm comparing the Instinct Solar with the Garmin Venu 2 Plus and the Apple Watch. Well, I'm just addicted to the rings, and I like closing my rings every day because it's fun. It makes me feel good. And those are my stats for the day. Pretty good, pretty good. That swim today, hard to believe that I dropped the camera in the water on the first day. That helped a lot. And this Coros device, I can see why people like it. I can see why they're selling hundreds of them every week. I have no idea what their profit margins are. I don't work for Coros. They didn't send this to me. Here's my little receipt thing. If I want to send it back, they give me 30 days to like it or not. I do plan on comparing it to these 2 watches right here. I want to do Coros versus Phoenix, even though, well, you can buy a Phoenix for 500, okay? Let's just get out of the way. And also the Amazfit Falcon. These 2 are very close, and that's going to be a great video, so stay tuned. First impressions for the day. I would like the screen to be a little more crisp. I'm not seeing an option where I can change the font. So honestly, there are several times where I'm like going like this, but that's just my eyesight. If you've had LASIK or you don't have my eyesight, you're gonna like it better. Now I put my glasses on and oh, hey, the screen looks pretty good. It doesn't look as bright as and crisp as this one because it's AMOLED, or the Phoenix because, well, it's a Phoenix, but it's pretty good. Love the whole Stormtrooper thing. Love the Velcro band. Huge fan, huge fan. Like the labeling. There's a really, really soft label of Coros right on the bezel, but it's not distracting. And I like that it's not plastered like start, stop. The Amazfit T-Rex 2. Just, yeah, just that labeling, it's just a little too, I don't know. I don't like it. There's a lot of features packed into here. I can't wait to do another workout. I did yoga for the last 2.5 hours. Not really, but I wanted to see what it would do. Let's compare that to Garmin just real quickly, and we'll just call it a night. I've said it before, I'm a huge fan of Sapphire screen, and I love how this is full button navigation. So during the yoga workout, I can quickly turn on and off the light. I can do a lap button. There are sounds like in that. And then this scroll wheel with the haptic feedback. The haptic is not as strong and not as haptic as an Apple Watch 6, 7, 8, or the Ultra, but it's good. You can feel that vibration. The heart rate appears to be accurate. And yeah, it's a nice interface. Now I'm not seeing battery estimate. Maybe that's later. I like how I can lock and unlock the screen. That's kind of cool. And then I can pause it. And then I can scroll down, lapse, resume, and finish. So I hold that in, similar to Polar, and saved. 348 kilocalories, RPE, max heart rate, average heart rate. Nice graph. See, now there, the screen is looking really good. We are getting some glare. My apologies. There we go. And I can delete it, or I can look at the laps. Very cool. And then there's the nice back button. And that was a gym cardio workout. This is one of the several watch faces you can use. Now, funny enough, it hasn't counted any floors. That's wrong. Since I've been wearing it, I've gone at least 10 flights of stairs. So there's my workout right there. No sleep data. I'm going to wear it in bed tonight. Very cool. So we'll take that off, let you view it in all of its glory. If you're a Star Wars fan, you like Stormtroopers, I think you're really going to like this watch. So there's the Coros label. And if we zoom in there, you can really get a good look at the watch. And there's that nice grooved button. I like how it's textured right there. I think that would be easy to use with gloves on. And the back, Apex 2 Pro, titanium, water resistant to 5 ATM, has a barometer. It has the frequent GNSS, but it's nice. 22 millimeter band, somewhat standard. And now if we compare it to a workout with the Venu 2 Plus. Now one thing I've noticed, you can't exit. Oh, that color looks really good. On the Venu 2, yes, I can do laps in, and I can also view my poses. So if I scroll, it'll actually show me which pose I'm doing. That's kind of cool. And if I just swipe, I have full navigation of the watch. You don't have that with the Coros. You're stuck in that workout, which, it's just a personal preference. It's something I've always disliked. And then on this one, if I choose to resume, watch this. So I swipe up, seeing how it's saying 59 hours. Maybe that's a setting somewhere in there. I'll explore that, but it's really easy to find on Garmin and Polar. So now we'll stop that. And let's see how the two compared. This one is saying, oh, it takes a little longer to save. Was a 3-hour workout. So 291 calories, average respiration, stress change, where I was not seeing any stress on the Coros. Has my different poses, which doesn't really mean anything because I wasn't really doing yoga. I was just tracking a workout. So right there, 20 flights of stairs. And I've done at least 10 of those since I unboxed this. It does feel light, but not too light. I like the weight. That's definitely a comfort factor. And let me see if I put this on this box, you might be able to hear the vibration motor. Okay, quiet on set. And then it also beeps for notifications, so that's pretty cool. So if I just swipe up, I get my Twitter notifications. Please create training plan. It has the temperature, very cool. Barometric pressure, sun movement. It has my altitude. It'll show my sleep. I'm wondering if it detects naps. It's going to show fatigue, so also recovery. But don't know why the floors are. Maybe I have to do some calibration. I'll do some reading. And then it does have a cool shortcut. If you can program this to do whatever, but I programmed the light button to quickly do an HRV test. I'll be doing one each morning. And this is one of the many watch faces you get on the watch. So if I just click back, you can see it cycling through that data in the top. What was that? Just got some type of goal notification, and I guess I missed it. So now I can see, I keep on wanting to touch it. So these are what the notifications look like if you're a big fan of Twitter. Then I can keep scrolling down. On each one of these, I can click it, I can delete it, or I can choose to just delete all. Thank you, Coros, for adding a delete all in there. And then now all notifications are gone. And if I scroll up, same thing. And if I just click the button once, I can quickly go to all the settings. I kind of wish this was a little faster, but it's, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. And it does pair with external sensors. Very, very nice. Quite customizable, I must say. And there's a haptic feedback each time you press that back button as well. About the same strength. Actually, a little lighter than this one. Oh, that was the notification that I burned my calorie goal today. Now, one little hiccup that I'm seeing already. Inside the app on this main screen, there are no flights of stairs. So yeah, but it quickly takes me to my workout. Nice animation. Very good details. Very good. Oh, perceived moderate. And you can training notes, logs the device in case you have more than one Coros. I'll be definitely testing some EvoLab stuff. And I like how you can quickly check the battery percent from the app. That's really cool. Garmin does not have that. And there's even altitude performance. So it's very detailed. There's a lot of details in the watch, in the app, a lot of references, the user guide, quite detailed. Good stuff. And that was my first day with the COROS Apex 2 Pro Kilian Jornet edition. If you want to know more about who Kilian is, there's an interview that, I don't know his full name, Desfit, but I'll put a link to his interview in my description and you can watch that. I'm going to sleep with the watch, going to test it some more. We'll compare it further to other watches and just my life, and I'll form an opinion. So far, so good. Just, I don't know why it hasn't counted any flights of stairs. I'm going to do a GPS kind of altitude thing outside tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Pithy comments, type those down below, and I'll see you again with another video very soon. That's all for now. Goodbye.